Assignment 4-4, I've created the whole document. I named it 4-4. I typed it in, misspellings and all, because that's what we're doing today. We're working on spell check with Google Docs. As you notice, on each word that is misspelled or that it is detected as misspelled, it has a little red dotted line underneath. So for the first one, I'm going to right click it. So I put my mouse cursor over the word, anywhere on the word. I right click and at the top it will give me a suggested correct spelling. So it asks me, did you mean saw? I click on saw and it replaces it with this correct spelling. Now this version of ship, you don't need to select it. You can click anywhere on that. I was just selecting it for an example. I click my right mouse button. It asks me, did you mean ship? With one P, and that's the correct spelling. You repeat all the way down. Notice, depending on how you click on it, you will get sometimes a cut, copy, paste, or a comment. So you need to continue to right click on it until you hit the correct place and it will ask you or give you a correct spelling suggestion. Repeat all the way down to the bottom, correcting all the spellings and making sure that they don't have red dotted lines under them. All right, at the bottom you're going to put your name and date. Now notice if you put your name and it thinks that it's misspelled, so we're going to put my first name. Let's see if it thinks it's misspelled. It doesn't read this one as misspelled. Okay, but if your name, for example, comes up as a misspelling, say Dave. I put two V's in that Dave, and it usually only has one V. So I can click on that. I'm going to correct that, and I can say anytime, here's another option, I can always correct to Dave. Anytime I put two V's in, and it will always correct to Dave. Last thing to do is go down after you've put in your name, date, 4-2. Actually, this one is 4-4. So I'm going to change that. I go down to word count, click on tools, I go to word count. You may remember this from an earlier assignment. So the word count for the document is 94 words. Okay, read that, 94. I type it in, 94, and then I go have my work checked. And then I'll be all done. Yeah.